Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got this lovely half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 9,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.